get our location working, so here we created an asynchronous function, is it? So right after this function, we need to add double brace and then just close the function. So this would be our function here. Okay, after you just add double brace, you save, then you're going to receive this pop-up. You need to allow. Okay, so after allowing, then you will get the coordinates logged on your console like this. So these are the coordinates that we are logging here, right? These are the coordinates that we are logging here. So we're done with our location. The next thing that we're going to do to use this location is to go ahead and just reverse geocode this location so that we can use it as a location, same as our default location, not coordinates. So we're going to require both coordinates and the geolocation and reverse geolocation. So for our location, we are done. That's all that we need to do. This is the function that we need to create to get our current location. So this location is also passed throughout our application because we've already sent it here. Okay, so if we come to home page, just for clarification, here we can have our location, and here set location like that, 1T, and the context that we're using here is going to be user location context, right? And we just need to log the location here, right? Okay, let's get rid of the address. Let's just log the location, so we have the coordinates here. So that's all that we need to do. Next, let's just head straight away and start working on our header. So for our header, we're going to be using this location that we have so that we can reverse it to get an address similar to the one that we are setting as a default address here.